Hi, I'm Peter, inventor of the swag. Fruit is a very popular snack in our household, and I try to make sure there's always ripe goodies ready to eat. But don't you hate it when all of the fruit you brought home ripens at the same time and so much of it goes to waste? Well, I've got a great way to avoid that from happening. When you're back home from the shop with your fresh fruit, avoid putting ripe and unripened fruit together in your swag. As fruit ripens, it releases an aging hormone which can cause premature ripening and damage to other fruit and veggies. To stop this from happening, every couple of days move unripened fruit from your swag and into your fruit bowl. And within 24 to 48 hours, they'll be beautifully ripe and ready to eat. So remember, if you're looking for a better way to keep your fruit and veggies fresher for much longer, jump over to our website and find out more about the swag. Happy swagging.